You are busy with your job, family, and the things that make you happy. Hi, my name is Eric Hagen. Take just a few minutes with me each week as I give you an overview of the economy, markets, and the things that can have a real impact on your life savings. Subscribe now and spend more time on the things most important to you.
Diplomatic tensions sent stocks lower last week. Across August 7th to the 11th, the Dow Jones Industrials Average declined over 1% to 21,858. The S&P 500 down 1.43% to 2441, and the NASDAQ down 1.5% to 6256. Volatility also certainly came back. The VIX jumped over 53% to end the week at 15.39. So, can the Federal Reserve justify another rate hike in the second half of 2017? Well, given weak inflation pressure, maybe not. The central bank has set a 2% yearly inflation target, but the consumer price index rose only 0.1% in July, resulting in a 1.7% year-over-year gain. Core consumer prices rose 0.1% for a fourth consecutive month in July, so annualized core inflation was also at 1.7%. The producer price index fell 0.1% last month. Analysts polled by Briefing.com expected a 0.2% rise. But more than 90% of companies in the S&P 500 have now reported second quarter results. FactSet, the respected financial analytics firm, now projects a blended earnings growth rate of over 10%, 10.2% to be specific, for the S&P 500 for the second quarter, along with a 5.1% blended sales growth rate. S&P component firms generating less than 50% of their sales outside of the U.S., however, are set to record 14% blended earnings growth and 6% blended revenue growth. And the price of gold continues to rise. At Friday's close, the yellow metal hit a 2-month high of $1,294 per ounce as investors looked away from equities. Gold gained 2.3% on the week. All right, so looking ahead to this week, today, Monday, Cumulus Media and Cisco report quarterly results. Tuesday brings July retail sales numbers and earnings from Advanced Auto Parts, Agilent, Coach, Dick's Sporting Goods, Home Depot, TJX, and Urban Outfitters. On Wednesday, minutes from the July Federal Reserve policy meeting appear. Wall Street will also interpret a report on July housing starts and building permits, and earnings news from Cisco, L Brands, NetApp, Steinmart, and Target. Fresh reports on initial jobless claims and industrial production roll in on Thursday, complemented by earnings from America's Car-Mart, Applied Materials, Bon-Ton Stores, Gap, Ross Stores, Sportsman's Warehouse, Stage Stores, and Walmart. Friday, investors consider earnings from Deere & Company and Estee Lauder and the preliminary August Consumer Sentiment Index from the University of Michigan. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you'd prefer to read the transcript each week, you can subscribe to that at www.erichagen.pro. Also, if you'd like to get financially organized, head on over to nocostfinancialdashboard.com and take control of your financial future. Lastly, if you want to find out if you're invested right, visit getinvestedright.com right now. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.